Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a responsive frame with clear constraints and a 12-column grid so elements align predictably. Once done, convert repeating groups into auto layout and choose Fill Container or Hug Contents per element. That determines how components expand. Make sure to set the base breakpoints, mobile, tablet, desktop, so you can test flow. You're doing this first because constraints plus auto layout drive all later responsiveness. Without them, resizing becomes unpredictable and brittle. Next, convert your UI pieces into components and create variants for states and sizes so you don't rebuild layouts per breakpoint. Once components exist, set internal padding, min and max widths, and prefer percentage-based widths for fluid regions while keeping fixed sizes for icons. Make sure nested auto layout preserves spacing and stacking when containers resize. This is the complex middle work, balancing fixed and fluid rules across nested instances. Do frequent live resizing to validate interactions, and finally, test your design by resizing frames across breakpoints and running prototypes with fixed and responsive behaviors enabled. As you test, watch for overflow, collapse spacing, or text that won't wrap. Tweak min widths, padding, and constraint anchors to fix those issues. If something breaks, isolate the problematic component instance, inspect its auto layout and constraint settings, and reapply the intended rules. You'll finish with a consistent system that scales, because each component enforces predictable resizing behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.